I am going to tell you about vending machine. Do you know what is a vending machine? A vending machine is an automatic machine that provides us snacks, cold drinks and many more items. The first vending machine was developed in England. Okay, friends. So, can you see all these things? Okay, so friends, we are going to get two things from this vending machine. Now, how we will use this? We'll use this. First of all, download the Fender app and then install it. And then, second item, pick anything if you want. Okay? My dad is giving his phone because I don't have any phones because I am just 5-year-old. Now I got the phone. Okay, so you see this vendor. We have to click this and let it to come. You see this vendor. Like we have to press OK, right? Now switch to connect like this. Pair, right? Pair. And thing has taken in my dad's phone. So now what is pairing? Pairing means that the vending machine and my phone will be able to transact the things. Okay, so there are lot of things. Let's select the item. Now we'll click the pay button. Paid. Now the processing is going on. Okay, a Kit Kat. Oh, now friends, see. Oh, this came. Oh, first Daddy, can you hold this for me? Okay, we got to know what we got. Another Kit Kat. Who got? See, I got 2 Kit Kats and one for my brother and one for me. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Till the next time, bye bye. See you soon and have a snack.